Hello, everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I'm smiling so that I don't lose it. Oh, what a morning! I was trying to video part two of my tutorial on my bag, but everything just went crazy. I was sewing my bag lining and my sewing machine decided to go on the fritz. It's just globbing up the material and globbing up the thread. I don't know what's going on with it. So that didn't work. I recorded sewing up the sides of the bag and making the handle. And when I went and I used my phone for that. So when I went to, oh, this just gets better. Um, when I went to upload it and to put it together on Canva to edit it, it said that the file was too large and I couldn't upload it. I tried to send it to my email so I could pull it up on my laptop that I'm recording on now, and that way I could do it on my laptop and it wouldn't be any problem. Still, file's too large. It wouldn't even let me attach it to an email and send it. So, guess what, guys? I don't know how else to do these videos. If you guys have a suggestion on a good camera to film videos that won't cost me an arm and a leg, please comment below and let me know, because my phone's just not getting it anymore. I can do all kinds of stuff right here on my laptop. I can record things like this on my laptop, but for tutorials, I can't do that on my laptop. So I really want to make a go of this. I really want my tutorials to look amazing. And so, yeah, if you guys know of a great camera, or you can tell me how you video and record your tutorials, please let me know, because I'm at a loss of what to do next. So, forgive me for this horrible tutorial, but I'm just going to show you what I did on here. And if you have questions, you can please just comment below. My email is in the description box, and you can email me and ask me questions. But guys, I am so sorry, and I hope that my tutorials in the future won't be this crazy. But here's what I did. I did just a smaller version. Everybody knows from part one, I did just a smaller version of this just to demonstrate how to do the stitches. And this was a long piece, and all you do after you sew your diamond stitches and you've repeated your rows and you get it to the length that you want, and you'll have to go back to part one if you need to know how to make this stitch. It's in part one from last Tuesday. Okay. Today is the 21st. So that would have been the 14th. Okay. Um, so anyway, once you get the length that you want, and you've got the width with your chain, once you get the height of your bag that you want, now it's going to have to, if your bag is this small, then you're going to do double that, because you're going to fold it in half. Then here's what I did. When I folded it in half, and then I did single crochets down each side. Now you could do a slip stitch, or you could do a whip stitch. You could just whip stitch it together. However you want to seam up your edges is totally up to you. Then my liner would be the next step if my sewing machine had worked. And I would have placed my liner in here and then hand sewn with a needle and thread, just a little, I don't even know what you call it, a little straight stitch with needle and thread, and just whipped it in and out all the way around to sew the lining in. Okay. Then the handles, and guys, I'm so sorry. I wanted you to see this. Ugh. Anyway, it just wouldn't work. But all this is for my handle. Well, I'll turn it to the right side where you can see it. I did, for my big bag, it was a chain of 100 to make the handle on my big bag. But with this one, however long you want your handle, that's how many chains you make. This is customizable to the size that you're making of your bag, okay? So I did my chains for the length I wanted, and then I single crocheted the first row, okay? First row is single crochet. Then I did 2 rows of linked double crochet. Now you can do, if you do not know how to do a linked double crochet, I liked it because it kept the handle thick and sturdy. But if you want to do just double crochets, you can. You can do just half double crochets, but you do these. I just did 2 rows because that's the length, that's the width of the strap that I wanted. But you do however many rows of double crochet depending on the width that you want your strap to be. And then you do one more final row of single crochet to finish it off. And then all I did was I opened my bag flat like this where the seam is. And sorry for all the tails, I haven't woven anything in. But then I just whip stitched this side on and then go over, make sure that the handle doesn't get twisted, and lay it on this side. And you're going to whip stitch again to that side so that your handle is attached. Ta-da! And there's your little bag. Now, I think this is cute. I did it in miniature size for the tutorial, but I think a little girl might like something like this. I think that's cute. But anyway, if you have questions about this, please let me know. I will do, once I get my sewing machine working right and I get everything adjust it maybe on my phone, I don't know, or figure out how I can do some better filming of these tutorials, then I absolutely will do that. And I will have another tutorial out on how I actually line my bags. So sorry about all that, guys. Ugh. But I sat down this morning and I've been working all morning trying to get that to work. And there's something on my chin. I hope y'all can't see that. Squirrel. It's just how my day's been. It's crazy. I don't know what that is. Anyway, so I'm just going to chalk that up to first video, move on to the next. Okay. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully I can get things in order much better. My sewing machine will work and I can actually get things done correctly for the next video. Not sure when that next tutorial will be. I will have to let you know, but I'm going to finish up my pillow for things we're making Thursday. This Thursday, I'll be showing, because we have 5 Thursdays. So next Thursday, this week, I finished the front cover. So I'll be showing that to you for my 3rd pillow for the things we're making Thursday. And then the last Thursday of this month, I will have the pillow put together and I'll show you all 3 finished pillows together. Okay. But I've had really a lot of fun doing that. And again, guys, so sorry for the part 2 tutorial not working out. It's just I cannot get the video to load. And when I went in, another thing I tried to do, I tried to go in and edit it where you could cut parts out. And y'all, I am not a techie person. This is all me trying out new. I've never done this before. And when I hit the little scissors, I thought I had a frame isolated that I wanted to cut out. Well, when I hit cut, it took away the whole video except for this tiny little 3-second part. So it deleted my whole video. So that's another reason why I just came on here and did it, because I completely deleted my whole video that I sat there for hours trying to record. Oh. So if you guys can help me figure out, I just need to know how you guys, what you guys use to video your tutorials. What do you use and how do you edit them? I'm just, Maybe the next time I try this, um, maybe the next time I try this, I will get it right. So let me look at something. I wanted to share something real quick with you. Um, my channel. It's even more than when I looked this morning. Oh, word. I'm at 423 subscribers, guys. So that means what? Let me do some math real quick. 77? 77 away from 500. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. 77 away from 500. And you know what that means? I've told you 500 subscribers, a big giveaway. Okay? So share, please, please share. I would love it if you would share with your friends. I would love it if you would like and comment on my videos. I'm sorry today was such, I know I keep saying I'm sorry, but today was just a flop. So this is what you get today instead of part two. I hope that what I showed you on here makes sense for this bag. And again, if not, just comment below your questions or send me an email and ask me your questions. But I'm going to try to get this all set up and much better. My son is super techie. And so he probably could help me figure out what I need to do to be able to do these videos better. I I don't know. I mean, is there I'm looking at the sides of my laptop and I don't see, I don't know. There's got to be a way to do these videos where I can attach them and send them and load them into Canva and fix them. And I don't know. I've just got to work on it. But any help that you can give me, any hints, please let me know in the comments because I'm just at a loss. But I'm excited for things that I'm working on. I am so excited. I want to say a big thank you to Spring. I think that's who. Let me. I better wait a minute. I better go back and look before I speak out of turn. Uh, no, no, sorry, I about said it wrong. Sorry, Spring. I meant Shannon from the Spoony Stitcher. Uh, y'all, she is a lifesaver. If you have not gone to her channel yet, you need to. I will attach her in the description. I will tag her, attach her. Oh my word. There's no telling what's going to come out of my mouth today, guys. So just saying. The way my day's gone, there's no telling. Anyway, Shannon from the Spoony Stitcher. I will tag her in the description box. If you have not checked out her channel, check it out. She is approaching 1,000 subscribers. She's really fun. She has basic tutorials. She has other tutorials that are just amazing. And her content is great. I love watching her. And I was really struggling trying to find, I told y'all about making the hand puppet from the cartoon Bluey from my grandson of the unicorn. And he's a specific unicorn with the colors and everything. Well, I got an email. When was it? Yesterday. Shannon sent me an email yesterday with a link to the exact pattern to make that exact unicorn. I'm so excited that she found that. And thank you, Shannon, for being such a major help. Guys, this is why I started my YouTube channel, is because I saw what a great community this crochet community is and how we help each other. And I love it. I absolutely love how everybody pitches in to help one another. And Shannon, I cannot thank you enough because I really wanted to make this for my grandson. My oldest one, I've got his done. I made him a SpongeBob. My 4-year-old will just die when he sees this hand puppet. And thank you, Shannon, for directing me to the right tutorial to be able to get this made. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And like I said, guys, if you are not subscribed to the Spoony Stitcher, you need to get over there. Click the link in my description box and head over there and help her out. Check out her videos. She's so sweet, and just she's fun, she's sweet, and she really has some great content. So go check her out. And just wanted to shout out her for the help that she gave me, so I can really make these special baskets for my grandsons. So I'm going to get off here. I've been down here for quite a while, and I'm exhausted. After trying to get that to work and it didn't, I'm exhausted. So I think I'm going to go have some lunch and watch some of you guys' videos. So yeah, I will talk to you later, and I will have another video up tomorrow, so I'll see you then. And love you guys. Thank you for the support. 77 more subscribers. Let's get there. Thanks, guys. I love you, and I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.